Product type. Auto part. Package dimensions. 2.8 cm L x 17.9 cm W x 18.4 cm H. Package quantity. 1. Package weight. 0.58 lbs. Top reviews from the United States. Buy the install tool. Perfect replacement on my 2015 F256.7L. Purchased this during a front axle U-joint replacement. If you are going to install this, make sure you get the seal install tool. Amazon has several on here, but I'd recommend the OTC wheel seal install tool. I smacked that thing with a sledgehammer and it barely had marks. Other reviews showed the knockoffs breaking after one use.